Hello, my name is Gregory Beson. This is my dog Bear. I'm a furniture designer and sculptor, and I want to welcome you to our apartment in Brooklyn Heights. Follow me inside. So here we are in my cabin in the woods, in the clouds in Brooklyn. You know, I work only with primarily solid wood and, natural materials like stone and glass and fiber. So this apartment, when I walked in, I immediately felt at home because it's exposed brick, exposed beams, oak floor, lime wash walls everywhere. So my challenge here was to mix some of the pieces that I have from designers that I love and lighting designers that I love and the artists that are my friends with pieces that I can make to kind of fill in the blanks. So the sitting area by the window has a walnut slab that I got from Pennsylvania that's a remnant of a piece that was for a client. So just a little cafe table that actually got added to my collection with 2 stools that are mine called the Quinn stool. The bed is a cherry slab, a very clean cherry slab that I also got from Pennsylvania. The first bed I've ever made for myself. Being it's such a small apartment, the bed becomes a feature of the studio, so the bed had to be very refined and perfect. So obviously I'm a natural material person, and I'm a wood guy, so here we are with me sleeping at the foot of a tree, essentially. I have a lot of lovely lighting in here. Lighting's very important to me in the space, especially at night, it all being dimmable. I have in the kitchen a small pendant by Bocce, and I have a vintage French milk glass pendant as well hanging there. Beyond the lighting pieces, the light in the apartment is stunning. So I have the Ward Bennett settee, and right above the settee is a mirror that I made, a 2-tone mirror with the left side that actually moves, so you can actually move it to kind of embrace that light and bring it around the space. And then a coffee table that I also made in teak to kind of bridge all those together over a rug from a friend's vintage shop. Bear being my shadow, essentially, is what he's often been called. The bed is definitely his, the settee is his, and all the rugs are his as well. So they're bear friendly. I have a powerful vacuum as well to help with that. So now that you've seen where I live, let me take you to where I make all of my work. Now this is the best way to commute.
Here we are on the ferry. This is my favorite way to traverse the city from my home to my studio. It's certainly the best commute in New York.
My apartment is kind of where I'm dreaming and kind of recharging. Here I'm coming and kind of starting to execute these dreams into drawings and designs. And then I also have a workshop downstairs where we start to materialize everything, where everything comes to fruition and kind of comes back together. The tools here are hand planes, it's chisels. There's some power tools, of course, for moving material, but it comes down to the hand. That's so inherent to my process. You have that hand, that touch on the wood, how it's going to be incorporated into a piece. So I've kind of divided the space up into multiple areas. This one's definitely kind of showroom for when people are coming to see work, but also for myself to see the pieces clearly. When I have clients here, I'm taking them through here and the wood shop as well to show them this is where we can look at the pieces. They can start to dream a little bit, as well as kind of showing them books or precedent examples. They can kind of start to imagine for themselves. I'm bringing them into my brain and my imagination, essentially. My work is about natural materials, how they show time and age and how they're lived with. That's how I'm showing them at my home. That's how I'm showing them at my studio. Thank you so much for coming on this visit.
Before you go, let us know if you enjoyed this video. Drop a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more exclusive tours.